Hi, my name is Abith. I'm an artist living in Portland, Maine. You can check out my work at abith.com. I'm going to show you today how to fix dried watercolors. So I have here this sphere that I created earlier, and I realized that I would like to add some highlight up towards the top and to clean up the edges also. So the nice thing about watercolors is that you can actually lift some of the pigment up from the paper once it's already dry by re-wetting it. So I'm going to choose an area right here where I want to add a highlight, and I'm going to drop in some of the water from my container. And while that area is still wet, take a paper towel and blot it onto the page. And you might need to do this a few times in order to fully lift, or not fully, but partially lift up some of the pigment. There's always going to be some of the pigment that is soaked fully into the page. But as you can see, you can make a pretty nice highlight on the sphere or whatever it is that you're fixing. And I'm also going to try to clean up this edge a little bit by brushing water onto that little mistake there, and then wiping it away with a paper towel. My name is Abith, and I just showed you how to fix dried watercolors.